So I am finally here in the palace. I am going to use my powers as a woman to get my Prince Charming, Chef Paul, and keep him to myself. So I will beseech you upcoming palace maidens to stay away and take your eyes off my prince. Thank you.
Okay. Initially, I had a crush on your so-called Chef Paul. But the very first time I set my eyes on the prince, have you guys seen his lips? Have you seen it before? Have you seen his chest? Oh, my prince. I'm in love. I'm in love with the prince. I just can't wait for the prince to call me Uloma. Please be mine.
Oh, Cyrus. Give me Cyrus for breakfast. Save me Cyrus for lunch. If you won't give me Cyrus for dinner, oh, I will eat him. I will so eat him deliciously, like the daughter of an Akwa Ibom woman that I am. In fact, I will sit on him and write him that the only soundtrack that you people will be hearing in this palace will be okay and Cyrus, then neck, hallelujah, then neck, hallelujah, and Farah.
Oh, shut your mouth, Ogechi. Shut it. You are always out of point. Anyway, I came into this palace for one purpose. And that is to serve the royal household. So I'm going to tell you palace maidens to know your place in this palace and know your boundaries, especially Neka and Uloma. Uloma, the prince is not even your class. Talk more of descending so low to want to have a palace maiden like you.
Just shut up your mouth, you big fool. Pretend that they say always do the worst. Wait. Virgin Mary.
Hold it right.
Ave Maria. Ave. Hail Mary. Full of grace. The Lord is with you. You big fool.
Did you just refer to me as a fool?
No, look, a very big one as that.
Okay. It's okay. Palace. It's okay, palace maidens. Now over to you, Asa. What is your mission in this palace? As you can see, we all have missions. So we want to hear from you. What is your mission?
My mission is my mission.
Don't try me. I'm not the violent. I'm not the
Hey! Are you guys done with your duties?
I don't get class.
You don't have a class. What will you do?
Wait.
You think it's right the way you behave. You think it's right the way you behave. Oh my dear, my dear. Oh my dear, my dear.
My king, you are not sleeping. Is it about our children?
Oh my dear, oh my dear.
Do not worry yourself.
I don't day, trouble don't wake up. Paul and Silas, every lady, they want to have taste of day. Paul and Silas, you can call him Paul Walker, chief chef. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. Turn on somebody in the palace, this palace. Turn on somebody in the palace. Silas the slayer, Paul and Silas, where they like slave queen, yeah. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. Turn on somebody in the palace. Turn on somebody in the palace. Hey, Paul Walker, Paul and Silas, you wahala too much. Yeah, you wahala too much. Silas the slayer. Turn on somebody in the palace, where they like slave. Turn on somebody in the palace. Paul Walker, a very good chief chef. You know they take eyes, see sweet baby, oh. A chef with different. Paul Walker, Silence, yeah. Take a easy. You wahala too much, yeah. Silence slayer.
I don't understand what you're saying. What are you talking about?
Shut up and stop pretending like you don't know what I'm talking about. You slept with my man, my crush. I know you too well. You have been crushing on my man. Yes. So because you're fortunate to be in the kitchen department, is that why you think you can sleep with Chef Paul? Is that why? I hate you. I hate everything in you. I hate your being. I hate the air that you breathe. I feel like strangling you right now. I hate you. What is going on? An idiot. What is going on? Have you forgotten where you are?
My goodness. Unoma, I want you to tell me the truth. And nothing but the truth. Did you, by any chance or means, have sex with the chef, the royal chef?
See, I can swear with any deity, I did not do it. I didn't do it. I don't know. Why? What are you talking about?
Okay, Chi. I don't trust this idiot one bit. I don't. See, stay away from me. Stay away from me. If you ever come close to me, till you die.
Neka.
If you name my name again, I'll pull your placenta.
Bastard. I swear, I don't know what she's talking about. I don't even understand. I'm confused. What is it?
Now I want you to tell me the truth. It's just you and I. Did you, with the chef? Did you? Did you? Don't worry. I will talk to her.
While I don't day, trouble don't wake up. Paul and Silas, every lady, they want to have taste of day. Paul and Silas, you can call him Paul Walker, chief chef. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. Turn on somebody in the palace, this palace. Turn on somebody in the palace. Silas the slayer, Paul and Silas, where they like slave queen, yeah. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. Turn on somebody in the palace. Turn on somebody in the palace. Hey, Paul Walker, Paul and Silas, you wahala too much. Yeah, you wahala too much. Silas the slayer. Turn on somebody in the palace, where they like slave. Turn on somebody in the palace. Paul Walker, a very good chief chef. You know they take eyes, see sweet baby, oh. A chef with different. Paul Walker, silence, yeah. Take a easy. wahala too much, yo. Silent slayer, you too like better thing, but you're broken in a trouble for this balance. Some like and like that, they switch them for head, but you don't give trouble, sha. Wahala don't dey, trouble don't wake up. Ball and silence, every lady, they want to have taste of day. Ball and silence, you can call him Paul Walker, chief chef. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. To ransom boys in the palace, this palace. To ransom boys, for security reasons in the country, everybody must be inside, not outside. Anything you want is inside this palace. You can take your Snapchat, you can swim if you wish. It's for your safety. The king has spoken. For more information, meet Paul and Silas.
Princess.
How are you?
Princess, I did fine though.
Okay.
My princess, I for feel the smile give you the way you take the smile for me now, but I don't want me your brother come go kill me. But I did fine. I did okay.
You're really funny.
Princess.
I would really love to learn this your unique language. I like it.
Oh, you mean the pidgin English where they blow? Eh! What do you want you to do now? You want make I teach you?
I honestly do love it.
I go teach you. That not be anything. You don't understand? I will give you all the lyrics, all the phone, everything. You know, I've even carry my brain, put for your brain. Anything where you want, my princess, I go do it for you one time.
You are really funny.
Thank you.
Okay, I want to go out. I want to go out, look around the village, see people, you know,
Okay.
see how the town looks like.
Okay. That's wait now, my princess. Now next year, now you won't go.
I'm going now.
No, you don't go feel go now. You don't forget to tell your papa talk. You don't go feel leave the palace now. Everything where you do now, here you go they do.
But I'm going with my maiden.
Which maiden?
I'm not going alone.
My princess, you dey go alone. Which maiden they talk? Because I dey see now only you I dey see. This one I made it. This one I made it. No even dey there. This one why I see for backyard they put pants. In short, that one another story for another day. You don't get made in. If anything sets now, what will go happen to you?
I honestly do not understand this.
Even me too, I don't understand that. But you cannot go now. You not go figure
The restriction is becoming way too much. I don't understand it.
Okay.
I need to go out,
Yeah.
see the town, meet people. That's right. Do you understand?
I understand.
I don't want my holiday to be restricted like this. It doesn't go down well with me.
Yes.
I can't be here.
Yes, I agree with you. Because if the way you take the explain that to me now, you realize I don't understand. I'm very, very understand. I understand what you talk. But if you ask me who, I go ask. Like Papa, you will go ask that question. My princess, sorry to say, you no go feel come out. Anything where you want, they inside this palace.
Silas, I want to go out.
No, my princess, you no go out. You no go. Everything you want, they inside this palace. Swimming pool there. You feel go do Snapchat video under that tree. Tell them this one you no get work. Maybe they snap you. Just they
That
take.
is not what I want. I've been here for a long time. I need to meet other people. Do you understand?
You no go feel meet other people. You don't understand. That your papa
Oh
name bring you
gosh, I
down.
am losing it.
No, don't lose it. Don't lose it. You need to tight it. See waste. Oh no. Even as this princess the face, all her body just remain me. This kind of waste at the type when I like, don't do like this. If I bend down, hey God, princess, if I catch you, if I pin you, if I pin you, Jesus. Princess, go away, die.
Now listen, my friend. Listen. This is not Europe where you do whatever you want and get away with it. This is Africa. We have rules. We have laws. Don't think you can get your way through. Whatever I say here stands. It's a law.
But why, Dad? Why should you put a restriction orders that none of us should leave the palace? We are on a holiday and we should enjoy every bit of it. Mommy didn't tell me that become an endemic of Uganda.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth.
Okay, Desmond, please calm down, okay? Calm down.
We're on a holiday, we should enjoy it. We should cruise around, flex, you know. Know how the city is.
Daddy! What in heaven's name is happening in this house? What is going on? What's the restrictions for? I mean, I wanted to go out right now and the security man stopped me and said, you gave him the instruction not to allow us to leave this house. Why is that?
It's for your own good, I repeat.
What is all this in this house? I'm not going to spend my holiday like this. It's not going to happen. What is this now?
Selma.
Don't be like that.
Selma.
Oh, please. Don't do that.
Selma.
is in the palace.
My king, please take it easy with them, okay?
I don't even know what's going on. Like, I don't even know what's happening. We should be outside, not inside. We should be outside, not inside. Dad, come on, we outside. We outside. Yeah, we outside.
Just tell me.
No, Dad, I'm outside.
Tell me.
Because I don't know what's going on here. We outside already.
Desmond.
Don't call me, please.
You're not eating. Are you okay? Talk to me. Are you okay?
I'm not.
Why?
I can't do this no more. I can't keep pretending as if everything happening in this house is cool with me. We are not happy about those whole restrictions, Father. We can't go out, we can't meet people, we can't associate. Why then did we come back to spend our holidays? Why? Why are you keeping us in here? Why are you making this holiday uncomfortable for every one of us? Why is that? Why?
Well, sweetie, it's for your own good. Oh, yes. The security situation in the country has not improved. Therefore, you stay in here, enjoy your holiday. I've provided everything for you to make you comfortable.
What security situation are you talking about?
No one goes out, no one comes in.
Okay. No one goes out, no one comes in. You're gonna be stuck in here. Copied.
Thelma.
Well, I think I'm cool with that. Dad said no one goes outside. We're inside.
I regret coming back. And you, Desmond, you're to be blamed for this.
I'm sorry, angels. We are in autocratic leadership. He detects why we follow. I'm so sorry.
Oh, will you shut up? Like I said, no one goes out, no one comes in.
Fine, Dad. We're not outside, we're inside. Inside. We're not outside.
Desmond.
Oh, we're inside.
While I done day, trouble don't wake up. Paul and Silas, every lady, they want to have taste of day. Paul and Silas, you can call him Paul Walker, chief chef. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. To handsome boy in the palace, this palace. To handsome boy in the palace. Silas the slayer, Paul and Silas, where they like slave with you. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. To handsome boy in the palace. To handsome boy in the palace. Hey, Paul Walker. Paul and Silas, you wahala too much. You wahala too much. Silas the slayer, two handsome boys in the palace, where they like slaves. Two handsome boys in the palace. Paul Walker, a very good chief chef. You know they take eyes, see sweet baby, a chef with different. Paul Walker, Silas, yeah. Take am easy, you wahala too much, yo. Silent slayer, you too like better thing, but you're broken in trouble for this palace. Some like am like that, they sweet them for head, but you they give trouble, sha. While I done day, trouble don't wake up. Paul and Silas, every lady, they want to have taste of day. Paul and Silas, you can call him Paul Walker, chief chef. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. To handsome boy in the palace, in this palace. To handsome boy in the palace. Silas the slayer.
Wait. Where did you happen? What's going on?
Hi, Mr. Silas. How are you today?
Okay, what calls Mr. Silas? What make you put Mr. for my name now? Excuse me? Paul, I just want to let you know, sir, I don't get the gist. If I get all the updates, as a matter of fact, nothing will go happen for this palace where me no go know. I go just sit down like say I don't know wetin dey happen. Make I ask you. Wetin be that sound where they come out from kitchen? That soundtrack when I hear from kitchen, who get that soundtrack?
Soundtrack.
Paul.
Soundtrack.
Might just go straight to the point. You just doke finish now.
What did you say?
I say you just doke finish now. I be never doke finish now.
What is doke? I don't know what doke. What do you mean doke? What's doke?
You just be shown.
Bishao. What's Bishao?
What be Bishao? I say you just Bishao. I said Bishao. You just knock now. You tell me say I don't know if you don't. Let's say you don't know it's at the top. You knock, abi you don't knock.
Knock. What's knock?
Okay. You don't know. Make I demonstrate them. You just pound. Girl, Nana for kitchen. Yes or no? Because I hear the soundtrack.
Listen. Well. Soundtrack. Oh yes, I just remembered. The only soundtrack you must have heard from the kitchen is the plantain noise from the fry pan.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you want some?
May God not let me want some. I will never want some. I'm not gonna fit up your plantain. Because I know plantain when I see plantain. If you put fry pan for fire, put groundnut oil, throw plantain, wait till you go here now. But the sound where I hear now, which plantain they sound, even plantain chips they not give you, So maybe you just don't say I know. What be that sound?
Listen to me. Are you insinuating that I was having sex?
I know they insinuate. I just want to know who be the person. Make I just use the person soundtrack, store the person
Mr.
face.
Silas, point of correction. The person standing in front of you is a virgin, was a virgin, and is still a virgin. And I intend to disvirgin myself when I meet my future wife.
If you be virgin, I die. I say if you be virgin, make thunder fire me. There's nothing there. Before you make on there, the gym, not even there. See your nose. You be like person just when I come tired. And I see you, they see rapping, all your body don't make melody. See the way you get weak. You dey jump up and they rejoice for the knock where you now you be virgin.
May God have mercy on you.
May God have mercy on you.
Mr. Silas, may God have mercy on you.
May God have mercy on you. As if you say you know the share. See waste. Waste the waste. And you know they like share. You go the form say you be virgin, you innocent boy. And they watch you. May God forgive the both of you. Now they show up very greedy people. Now they show up.
May God have mercy on you.
God go punish you, this boy. Waste they here, they waste. Nobody they call out. They go punish you. And they watch.
Things if it change overnight, but if you don't take precaution, it goes to buy things for you. Okay, my people looking for. If you wise, voila. If you know wise, voila. You not gonna fix no everything where they happen under your nose. If you get money, voila. If you don't get it, voila. You not gonna fix control everything where they happen under your nose. Look at the danger, what I can. I will leave it. I can't Delicate matters are better handled with great tactics. You want them all, and the carefulness so you can achieve your desired result.
Are you done?
Things if it change overnight, but if you don't take precaution, it goes to buy things for you. Okay, my people looking for. If you wise, voila. If you know wise, voila. You not gonna fix no everything where they happen under your nose. If you get money, voila. If you don't get it, voila. You not gonna fix control.
No doubt that I am the most beautiful girl in this village.
There is no argument.
No argument.
There is no argument.
You are aware that Mazi Okafor's son is around, right?
Is he back?
Like you don't know.
I did not hear it now.
Oga, the first day he entered, I was the first girl he set his eyes on. And guess what? He couldn't resist the beauty but had to stop to say hi. And immediately, the sharp girl where I be, my footstep changed automatically. Just relax. Started walking like a queen. I couldn't resist the most beautiful girl in the community.
For what now? For where? How? Have you seen a fine guy in his life?
My sister! Oh my god! Like seriously, Hey! Wonder can never end. So some people in this village can actually go to the stream, fetch water and carry it on their head like people that they are.
I wonder. I thought they said they are big boys. Big boys don't fetch water. They buy.
They don't even buy. They put Bible water in their compound.
You are right.
You never see buy water, they toast me.
Imagine.
Are both of you referring to me? I mean, are you people talking to me because we are just three here?
Did we call your name? Are we talking to you? Before you carry over gon' beards like ghosts.
To me. Even if you call your name, what will you do?
What will happen?
What will you do?
Oluchi, you know what? If I don't bend your mat this evening, call me a bastard.
Oh, you're here. Where is that your stupid boy? What happened? Look at what your son Ekene did to my daughter. Just look at her. Eh? Where is that your son now? Where is that Podebita?
No, please calm down. Ekene did this to you.
Hey! What
happened between you both?
He asked me out and I refused. Before I knew it, he started beating me.
You see it? Just like that. Just like that, oh.
If you
go near no.
Obu by force. Eh?
Just look at my daughter. Just look at my daughter's hand.
It doesn't warrant beating now. Eh? Where were you even going to that? You refused to go out with him. Eh?
It's not that kind of going out though. He asked me to be his girlfriend. We should be doing boyfriend and girlfriend.
Hey!
And I said no. If I knew, he started beating me.
Girlfriend and boyfriend.
Chimo.
You've heard it.
Chimo. Oh, Obalogititi.
Mama, my eye is turning me.
Hey! Oh, but it's not by force now to become somebody's girlfriend.
Sorry. You see what your son did to me? Sorry.
Ndo.
Sorry. Help me now, let's carry her off.
Please, get up. Sorry.
Sorry.
Please, one of them. Forgive him. Please, I'm sorry. I'm begging on behalf of my son. Please, I'm sorry. My daughter, please forgive him. Sorry, Onwam. Please.
Just like that. I'm not going to take this lightly at all. I'm not going to take it lightly at all. Eh? You heard her.
Problem. Just take her home. Then massage her body with hot water. I will come to see her at home.
We should go home?
Yes, Biko. Don't worry, when I come,
Okay.
I will know how much you spend.
Okay.
Biko. Sorry, my daughter. Hey! Ekene will not kill me in this house. What is this? Eh? No wonder he wanted to run to my mother's place. No problem. He will come and meet me in this house.
Please write down the items needed in the kitchen.
All right. Paul and Silas. You can call him Paul Walker, chief chef. You wahala too much. You wahala too much. To ransom in the palace. This palace. To ransom in the palace. Silas the slayer. Paul and Silas, where they like slave with you. You wahala too much, you wahala too handsome boy in the palace, too handsome boy in the palace.
Okay, I'm done.
Paul and Silas, you wahala too much, you wahala too much.
Amara, what happened here should be a secret between us.
I gotcha. And you're so sweet.
See, sweet baby, a chef with a different Paul Walker, Silas, take a easy. You wahala too much, Silas Slayer, you too like better thing, but you're broken in trouble for this palace. Some like I'm like that.
Something fishy is going on in this palace.
Again? Something fishy? Erisa. Erisa. Erisa, how many times did I just call your name? All the time you have something to talk about. There is something fishy. If something is not fishy, you are fishy. Erisa, are you sure you are not the fish in this palace?
What are you talking about?
What am I not talking about, Erisa? No, come in and hear me. Talk to me, let me understand. What am I not talking about? All the time you have something to say. You just call, okay, one corner. Bra, 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 tang, 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 go, go, go. You have something to talk about. Look, let me tell you. Do not make you talking about to remove me from this palace because I don't have anywhere to go to. This is the only place that I can relax and talk. Say, I do go to work. What do you mean by that? I'm going to shout for everybody to understand.
See, I just give up on you. What is wrong with you? I give up on you.
Why won't you give up on me? No, say I want to shut everybody come out. Let them know what you are telling me. All the time you call me, you want to come. Don't tell me to come down. Let me come up. I should be sleeping by now. Later, Igwe will come here and be sending me message. You just call me and you distract my attention. You say come down.
Can you just come down? What's wrong with you?
You have something to say all the time. Say me go yak no me down. I should come down for what? What do you mean by that? Say me. What about you? I said something is special. Erisa said something is special. Igwe. She left. Says all this right, that is Cyrus. I just imagine Cyrus. I just Cyrus. I say, Cyrus, hold me. Cyrus, hold me. Let me tell you what's on my mind. Okay, I'm enough with you. Cyrus.
I don't really understand what's going on anymore. My father wouldn't let us out. I mean, how can I become a prisoner in my own father's house? I don't get it. I'm freaking out already. Damn.
Look, I know, okay? How about tonight? I mean, you can plan your exit with the gate man. What do you think?
You think it's gonna work?
I don't know, but I think you should give it a try. Give it a try, okay? I have to leave now. I'll call you, all right? Can I get a hug?
I will only reconcile with this snitch on one condition. Read my lips. I said on one condition.
Which is?
She wants to work in the kitchen.
Wait. I don't understand. You want to be working in the kitchen?
Are we in or not? Don't give me that look. Are we in or not?
Fine.
What is wrong with you? You were beginning to allow this whole thing drive you insane.
Whatever. See, staying in the kitchen all day and looking at that Chef Paul, that handsome chef. God, that guy is so handsome. Oh my God. I am okay.
No, you were not.
I am okay.
You were not okay. What is wrong with you? Listen to me. I pray you don't allow this thing get you into trouble. This thing land you into trouble. My goodness.
This thing don't put me into trouble. This thing, I pray you don't put me into trouble.
Mama, I did not beat her. I did not beat her because she refused to befriend me. I did not.
Why did you now beat her? Why did you beat her? Why do you even have to lay your hands on a girl? Eh? You don't know that a man that beats a woman is a beast. It's like an abomination.
She mocked me now. She and her friend. That one that looked like yellow pawpaw. Eh? They saw me on my way coming back from stream, and they started mocking me. Eh? Because I was carrying water on my head. What do you expect me to do?
Look at him. They mock you. They mock you, Businaro. Are you carrying physics on your body?
She's just lucky that I didn't see her in this compound.
No. Are you mad? When am I going to see?
Mama, leave me, oh.
Huh?
Leave me, oh.
Oh.
Leave me, oh.
You think you have grown? Because of this thing that's in your face.
Yes.
That's what is deceiving you. Is it what is deceiving you? You can never be bigger than me. Because I gave back to you. You must listen to me. Listen to me and listen good. You must go to that girl's house and apologize to her.
So, I will not try it, Mama. Mama.
Imamia.
I will not do it, oh.
You will not do it. Wait for me. Wait for me.
I will not do it.
Can I wait?
What kind of thing is that?
Things if it change overnight, but if you don't take precaution, it goes to buy things for you. Okay, maybe we'll look if you wise you, voila. If you know wise you, voila. You know the fix no. Everything where they happen under your nose. If you get money, voila. If you don't get it, voila. You know the fix control. Everything where they happen under your nose.
Greetings, my prince.
Are you alone?
Yes, my prince.
Good. I like you. Yeah, I like you. Do you like your prince?
Yes, my prince.
Nice. So tell me, is it true that you can do anything to make your prince happy? Like to feel alright?
I don't know, my prince.
Ah, come on, shut up, you know. Don't deny it.
I beg to take my leave at once, my prince.
Hey, come back here. Where the fuck do you think you're going to? Huh? I'm asking you. On your knees.
Hmm?
Go down. Give me head.
Hmm?
I said, give me head.
Head?
Give me head. Head. What's your name?
Ogechi, my prince.
Beautiful name. Are you sad? Are you sad?
No, my prince.
Yeah, don't be sad. All right? Come here. Come and meet your prince.
You think it's right the way you behave. You think it's right the way you behave. Oh my dear, my dear. Oh my dear. While I done day, trouble don't wake up. Paul and Silas, every lady, they want to have taste of day. Paul and Silas, you can call him Paul Walker, chief chef. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. To handsome boy in the palace, this palace. To handsome boy in the palace. Silas the slayer, Paul and Silas, where they like slavery. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. To handsome boy in the palace. To handsome boy in the palace. Hey, Paul Walker, Paul and Silas, you wahala too much. Yeah, you wahala too much. Silas the slayer. To handsome boys in the palace, where they like slaves. To handsome boy in the palace. Paul Walker, a very good chief chef. You know they take eyes, see sweet baby, oh. A chef with different, Paul Walker, silence, yo. Take a easy, you all too much, yo. Silence slayer, you too like better thing, but you're broken in a trouble for this balance. Some like them like that, they switch them for head, but you they give trouble, sure. While I don't day, trouble don't wake up. Ball and silence, every lady, yeah, my dear. You think it's right, the way you behave. You think it's right, the way you behave. Oh my dear, 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 oh my dear. You think you're smart in all you do. This is sinful, man. It's not good at all. This has fallen apart. No more rules and respect. Royal blood has mixed with commoners' blood. What is happening now? This is strange. Everybody is a game player.
Neka.
Yes. Everything about you. You are so sweet. From your head to your toe, you are so sweet. Everything about you tastes nice.
What? What did you say?
Oh, your food. I mean your food. Your food is so sweet. You're a great chef.
Wait, listen. I can see you like to take your time to do house chores, right? You've been doing this for...
I'll soon be done. Yes.
By the way, why are you doing this? This is not your job. Where's Uloma?
I am helping her at the moment. Yet, God. Oh.
Are you okay?
No, yes, I am okay.
Are you sure?
Very sure. I'm okay. Thank you.
Okay, you need to hurry up because I have to start cooking.
Okay. 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 Good afternoon, sir. Sorry, sir.
You said?
Sorry, sir. Your food. Your food is so sweet. God, Jesus.
Hold on.
Hi.
Princess, what are you doing in my room? You're not supposed to be here.
I understand you're scared of my father. and my brother, right?
Yes.
But come on, relax. I like you.
Huh?
Yes, I like you.
You like me?
Haven't you noticed I like you? Or don't you like me? You don't?
My princess, I'm only a chef in the palace.
Say no more. Good night.
Huh?
Dream about me.
While I done day, trouble don't wake up. Paul and Silas, every lady, they want to have taste of day. Paul and Silas, you can call him Paul Walker, chief chef. You want too much, you want too much.
What is she even doing here by this time of the night?
She came to ask for dinner. She said she wants to eat.
Silas the slayer, Paul and Silas, where they like slave queen, yeah. You want too much, you want too handsome girl in the palace, too handsome girl in the palace. Hey, Paul Walker, Paul and Silas, you want too much, yeah. You want too much. Silas the slayer, too handsome boys in the palace, where they like slave, too handsome girl in the palace. Paul Walker, a very good chief chef. You know they take eyes. See sweet baby, oh.
Hi. Princess.
Hi.
What did you do here at this time of the night?
Don't worry yourself. No one saw me coming. I was very careful.
No. Your papa would just cut my neck.
Nah.
But no one saw me. Just calm down, okay?
No, my princess.
Oh,
beg,
keep
you know
it
this
down.
Your
Keep it
Your
down.
papa will kill me.
Listen, I've come to strike a deal with you.
Okay.
I want to go out. I want to go clubbing, right? I have a friend of mine who is already outside waiting for me. So I just came here to take your permission, go in, get dressed, and of course go out. But I promise you, I won't be long.
There's no need to promise me.
Okay?
Because you no go fit go. I'm not go fit allow you go, my princess.
Why is
No.
that?
I'm not go fit allow you go. I beg, no vex.
Listen, it is just gonna be between you and I. You can't do this to me, Silas.
No, be my fault. I like you so much, my princess. Ask me on that thing, but to allow you come up for this compound. No. That one no go work.
Listen, okay, I'll give you some money. I'll give you hard currency. I'll give you dollars. Yeah. I'll give you $1,000.
You dey whine me.
I'll give you dollars.
No, be like say you dey whine me. No, as you mention dollars now, supposed to shake. I don't see dollars tire now. Me don't see money tire. Me na old big boy for worry way back.
Okay,
dollar na old tele matter now. No, foreign currency no dey move me.
Okay, listen, wait. Okay, I don't have nothing to give to you again if not the money, right? Just take the money and do this for me.
Who tell you? How you dey speak for me? Who tell you say you don't have another thing to give? You know what you carry? My princess. In fact, let me just let everything come out. Now, once person they die, anything will happen may happen. Let me just use opportunity because they say opportunity comes but one. So let me use this opportunity. My princess, as I see you so much, I just tell you, I like you so much. Anytime I reason your matter, they always they get wet dreams.
Oh.
All my body they make mele. You they turn me on a stead.
Oh my God.
I'm telling you, so make I just tell you now as it be.
That's sweet to hear.
It's very sweet, oh. Sometimes I don't even imagine when I go get the mind, take on to your papa and your brother, say I would like to harvest you.
Harvest me?
Yes.
Are you a farmer?
Me? Me not farmer now. But I don't get tools. All my tools they my body. They're inbuilt.
But I'm not a crop.
You be crop. And I would like harvest you. See my tools now. You play the show.
You are crazy.
Okay, let's say you don't believe me. My princess, with all due respect, just close your eye.
Why are you like this?
I'll shock you now.
No,
let me show you the wonders of my tools. you go feel them now. 2 seconds.
Why are you like this?
Okay, just close your eye.
Oh God.
Just wait for me.
Why are you doing this? Why? Oh my God. 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 Oh my. Oh my. Oh.
I thought we had an agreement.
What agreement are you talking about? You taking me to the club?
Yes, of course.
Well, I changed my mind. You have a problem with that?
But why?
What you mean, but why? I own myself. I can decide whatever I want to do. I changed my mind because I don't want to go again. Why on earth are you adding strings to it? Why? Why are you attaching it? Are we dating? Are you my boyfriend? Are you?
No.
Don't ever call me again. Stop sending me text messages. Stop sending me DMs. Listen, if you ever do that again, I'm going to show you to my brother. I'll show him all the love jargons you've been sending to my phone. And you know what it's going to do to you if he sees that. Leave me the hell alone. Do you understand that? Copied? Rubbish.